Hey everyone! Welcome to Real Estate Quick Tips Podcast. Today, pag-usapan natin ang RFO versus pre-selling. Which one should you go for? If you are a buyer or investor na gustong lumipat agad, then go for RFO. Because you can move in or rent it out right away. Medyo mahal nga lang RFO since the property is already built. Limited lang din ang options mo so you may not get your preferred unit, floor, or layout. Pero kung ikaw naman ang buyer na willing mag-antay at gusto ng mababang presyo, then pre-selling is the best choice for you. Pre-selling ay mas mura compared to RFO since for construction pa lang. Marami ka ding options so you may get the best spot for you. Flexible din ang payment terms at mas affordable. So if you are interested, we can offer you house and lot here at NRA Realty. This is Joycey and I'll catch you next time!